everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 26th to the 30th of January 2026 on Monday. Sakhile is offered and accept the mayorship. Jason races to save Mother's Hotel. Mother nearly misses guys leaving for varsity. PD struggle with the laws. Team comfort Tiny and they share a kiss on Tuesday. Jason loses Mother's Hotel to stand, but she vowed to fight on. The community celebrates Sakhile as mayor, while Tim confesses his feelings to Tiny, who shut him down on Wednesday. Mother plot to save the hotel by winning over stand, humiliating Jason. Sakhile settle into an office as mayor. Petunia eyes resignation. Tiny thanks Tim while Mandla warns him on this day. Mother loses the hotel as Jason's empire collapses. Mamiki takes over the saloon. Petunia clashes with Sakhile, who uncovers corruption and vow reforms in Emnyamin on Friday. Jason spirally after selling the hotel, alarming Mandla and staff. Mother's breakdown. Mamiki reinvents the saloon. Petunia hides disappointment as Sakhile delivers his first mayoral speech. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.